Welcome. Before moving on to the following video, I would like to present some basics of hybrids migrating before and after turnover. I start with the male group of modern humans, or Romeo 1 Bravo and Alpha, because in other videos these groups are presented as all modern humans. Intermezzo. I will call them the Boomer group, because they and especially their latest child group, Atlantic Facade, are related to booming and expansion, conquest, colonization, development, power, like kings, etc. I hypothesize that the latest child group underwent an additional hybridization. That child group goes with the technical name Romeo 1 Bravo M269 or R1B1B2, and the extra hybridization made that tolerance to lactose etc. was further extended to an older age, amongst other advantages. However, there are backlash too. Something similar happened also for gluten. From the Boomer group on, children could now be fed by animal milk products derived from animal milk, and women could give birth to many more children. From then on, milk could and was combined with grain products to feed children until today. Please remember that certain Asian groups and people, and Native Americans, do not present the same tolerance for lactose. The Asians and Native Americans underwent less hybridization, and the Amazon Amarans did not undergo hybridizations at all. They are still original. Animal herds for milk. The milk was coming from the herds of domesticated animals. From here on, baby spoons were commonly used, and found many times amongst the found artifacts of the Boomer group, while this was not the case before the arrival of the Boomer group. This tells us that the Boomer group's ancestors already did the same thing in the Americas, and also brought, or rather needed to bring, milk-producing domesticated animals from the Americas, or at least the knowledge to hybridize not yet hybridized wild animals. Just as for the supposedly future modern humans, we can trace the roots out of the Americas for the domesticated and wild animals too, including the horses. We present more about this subject of bringing over, mass harvesting and herding of animals, and also about by which groups or ethnic groups in other videos. Because of more lactose tolerance etc., the number of children per mother could go up from 3 to more than 10, hence the booming and the name Boomer group. End of intermezzo. This video is a continuation of a simplified approach that is to get a basic understanding of our ancestors and their migrations in a way that is not presented by consensus. Therefore, I can make very good use of the many detailed marker maps produced and ordained by consensus, having another objective in mind. Your screen presents the latest Boomer child map, Atlantic Facade, and it reveals the focus on A. Western Europe and especially the Atlantic Facade. B. The Mediterranean Facade, which I consider an extension of the Atlantic Facade. C. Iceland. D. Greenland. E. Especially the root of the Boomer group in the Americas. Some are not on the presented map. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Giving thumbs up is also a way to know if you already assisted a certain video. We hope to see you in our next video.